Hi, it's Kenny D, and I'm going to take you on a tour of my latest urban survivalist machinery. This is a modification of the aquaponic system that I had running before. This time you're going to see that the fish tank is actually above the grow bed, so I am able to actually use my fish as a sort of a display case. It just makes it a little bit of a more of an enjoyable experience. So, okay, I'm going to start now by, I'm going to take you on a loop. Basically, water is pumped into the tank, water is pumped out of the tank into the grow beds, and then water is pumped from the grow beds back into the biofilter. The biofilter is going to turn all that ammonia into nitrogen for the plants to grow. So, here we go. Let's take it a little tour. Okay, I'm going to start now at the filter. It's the pump, intake pump. As you can see there on the bottom, right here, I have a pump. This pump here is going to be pumping fluids from this is the end of the biofilter into the fish tank. Over here is an overflow, because if I get it back up, this tank will fill up and overflow. I have another tank here to catch any overflow that may, in case the electricity goes off or something like that, and I got some backflow, I need enough to contain that water. So we go up the tank now, up to the tank. You can see the pipe going in the back. Okay, this is my tank, and you can kind of see the fish in there. This is a True View 30 gallon. Inside the tank you can see this is my this here is my siphon. I'm siphoning water out, and that water is going to go up through there, that piece right there, and out and into the grow beds. You can kind of see I'm using regular minnows here. They're good. They pee and poop a lot, and cause a lot of ammonia for the biofilter to convert to nitrogen. So now we're going to come along the top, and I'm going to show you up here. This is where the intake water is coming in here. You can kind of see it dripping down there. That's the intake water from the pump I just showed you. And this is my pipe that goes out and up over here and then down, and that goes into the grow beds. So now I'm in my grow beds right here. I have so that's my plumbing there. And you can kind of see the fish kind of swimming around in there in the reflection. Yeah, a little reflection of the grow beds. Okay, so then we'll just turn around, and I'm growing tomatoes. These tomatoes are started from clippings, and I clipped them, and I put them in the hydroponic system, and as you can see, they are doing very well. They're growing fine. I got a little guy over here just started, and kind of see them, and they're growing. So now the water comes down from here into the growing bed, runs through, comes across, runs back through this way, okay, comes across here, and then goes back that way, okay, and goes across there, and then back this way, okay, and at the end here, we now drop down below the table. The water goes down, and you can kind of see right here I have an exhaust. It comes out, and then we're back. It goes right along here like so, and then back. Now here we are in the biofilter. This is the return line. It goes through the biofilter. Right now I'm using bio balls, they're called, and the bio balls are just create surface area so that this nitro forming bacteria can to create the nitrogen. So and then the water goes through here. It's deammonionized in here with the nitrobacteria, and goes through back into the pump, and the cycle starts all over again. Goes up into the tank, out of the tank, down, around, back into the growing beds, and through the growing bed. Around we go. And so, and it just continues that cycle. So it's cycling, filtering, growing, bacteria, ammonia, everything is happening a symbiotic way. So, this is Kenny D. I just wanted to share that with you. This is my latest of aquaponic systems. Let me see if I can give you a long shot of it so you can kind of see the whole picture in a nutshell. I'll turn it to the side. There we go. You can kind of see the whole gamut now. And biofilter below. Yes. Okay, this is Kenny D. And signing off.